Today, on May 1st, in relation to the industry I am from, the dairy industry and its products, I would like to say that India is a developing nation and Maharashtra has always been at the forefront, especially in agriculture and its related innovations. Of these, the dairy sector is the most important for the farmers from Maharashtra's rural areas. And it is through this medium that we are delivering a high quality product from our very own Maharashtra, both nationally and globally, by the name of Govardhan or Go cheese, a product that can be proudly called Maharashtra's identity. Around 1970-1972, Dr. Verghese Kurian led Operation Flood that went on to make India one of the largest producers of milk across the world. Following which, he initiated the largest dairy development program where he worked consistently to help the farmers all over the country to improve milk production. And today, with India so high up in this sector, what every Indian requires is quality dairy products. It is this challenge that we have taken up and set our foot into this new project, namely Go Revolution. Now, India is doing really well in the dairy industry. Globally too, we are leading as far as export volume of our milk products is concerned. But these value-added products must be made available in India for the Indian consumer too. Hence, we are working on the theme Go Revolution. In India, majority are vegetarians and the one best source of protein for them is milk, a dairy product. Or even be it milk, curd, cheese or butter. The demand for these products is only increasing day by day. So, we are coming out with innovative and new products for the Indian consumers via our Go Revolution medium. And hence, I hope that its direct and positive impact can and will definitely be seen on the farmers of Maharashtra's rural areas and the dairy manufacturing farms. I strongly believe that Maharashtra can prosper through this medium of thought, be it global or the national front. I feel this revolution that has kick-started in India should only go forward here on, which will take our prosperity and progress to new heights.
धन्यवाद.